Hello crafters, welcome to Elf Creations and another Christmas video. I'm going to be making a bird nest pick for the Christmas tree. I'm going to reuse one of these partial stems from some foliage that I bought. I'm probably going to use this brown one because it will be a bit more better in regards to the camouflage. I got these little pack of 3 robin decorations. I got them after the Christmas period, so I'm just going to pull out that. As you can see, I mean, it came out so quickly that they haven't glued it in or anything. I'm going to use one of those. These nests are stocked in my store. By the time this video comes out, they will be listed. So I'm going to have you in there. I'm going to put in some foliage and that type of thing, and some berries, and I'm not too sure in regards to what the end result's going to be, but I thought we would you know, do a bit of creating. As you all know, you're watching this channel because you're like me and you love Christmas, and I'd love to make my own picks. I know you can buy picks in the store, but I really do enjoy taking them apart and, you know, utilizing them in other ways, making another pick. So I think I'm going to have this one in the center, and I'm just going to add some bits and pieces, maybe these ones rather than those ones, maybe a mushroom. I haven't decided yet, but the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to pierce this through the bottom, and then I'm going to attach it to the robin. So I'm going to put some hot glue at the top here, then I'm going to sink that down into the nest. I've also got some snow, my snow writer here, just in case I want to make it snowy, which I might do. I haven't decided yet, but I may do. I'm going to cut this little pine pick down because it's slightly too long, and put some glue on that. Pop you in there. I like you sticking out there. I think I might use these larger berries. So again, these were a pick, and I'm just going to dissect them. And then add them into the homemade pick. Just going to put a little bit of glue here as well, because I want them to go round rather than stick out. Yep, I like that. I think I'm going to add this cute little mushroom. These mushrooms are stocked in my store. They're available all year round. They're great for this type of craft, just to add a touch of colour. I'm just going to snip off where it pokes through underneath. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some glue underneath here as well, just to make the pick more stable. Look how cute that's looking already. Right. The beauty of this is just letting your mind be creative and place things where you think they might look nice. If they don't look nice, just change where you put them, as long as you don't glue them first. Right, yeah, I like that. We need a bit of green. I'm going to take the green off this. And then what I'll do is I'll probably add some of the snow text. That's really cute. I'm loving that. Let's add some pine cones. I've got these lovely little pine cones, which I could even add to underneath if I wanted to. Yep, one there. That looks good to me. One there. I think I'm going to have one. Am I going to add any more? Maybe put one in with these berries. Yep. Just hold that in place to make sure it sets. And then with this snow writer, make sure it's working and not clogged again. It looks like it's clogged again. I'm going to put some, just going to squeeze some out around the edge. Put some on each of the berries. And then using a paintbrush, I'm just going to dab it down because it looks too like it's been placed there rather than it falling there. Paint the pine, the faux pine. Now I need my little stash of iridescent glitter, because while this is wet, it will take on that glitter. There we have it. I think he's really cute. I think he is really cute. I'm going to let him dry, and then I shall pop him into my my little greenery, and I'll do a little video at the end. But that's how I've made my little nesting robin Christmas pick. Thanks.